Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I edit my sermon videos. Alright, so first you got to upload your project, so I'm going to upload this to the new project. And today I'm going to be using Final Cut Pro, but you can use these principles on any other video editing software. So I'm going to upload my video right here. So it has been uploaded, and it looks like it's in the wrong format, so I'm going to fix this first. Alright, so you want to make sure it's in the right format, so it was in vertical format. I'm just going to go to 4K. I'm going to write in sermon video. Alright, so I'm going to drag it in again. So this is a sermon right here. And now what you're going to do is just make sure that it is cut properly. So in this example, it looks like there is some worship sessions just by looking at the timeline, and there's probably some announcements. So you want to go all the way to the end, and I'm just going to zoom out a little just to help me out. So you want to go to the cutoff point when the preacher or the speaker is talking about the sermon. So here you can see right here that he looks like he's about to speak. So this is a good time to find the place to cut it off. So I found the cutoff point right here. So I'm just gonna separate these two. I'm gonna delete this part. And basically what I did was I found the point where he's gonna start his sermon. And now I'm gonna go to the end, and I wanna make sure that the ending is proper as well. As you can see, it says thanks for joining us. We don't want that to show. We just want to show off the part where he says bye. So right there, I just cut it off right here. So I'm going to just split this. And then there you go. All right, so that's step one. So pretty much just cut off the beginning and the end. And you just want the sermon only. You don't want the worship session. You don't want the announcement, nothing else. You want to cut it to the point. After that, you want to go here to the color grading. So I will go to the color grading area. So first, I'm going to color grade this. And I'm just going to go to all for the video. And then what I do, I like to do three things. I like to use this thing called crisp contrast. And I do it around 10%. I don't have to do it a lot. It just gives a little bit of color. The second one I like to do, I like to go to this one called HDR. And it just gives it more like a nice film-like effect here. And I don't do it all the way. See, it kind of gets rid of the highlights. I just use probably like around 25% around here. Sometimes I do 35, just depends on the situation or the camera. So for this example, I'm just going to do 35. Not much of a difference, but it just gives a little bit more of a, allowing the speaker to just pop out a little bit. And the third one I like to do is called Vibrancy. And I like this one the best because it gives a lot of color. So I'm just going to put that in here. So I'm going to do protect skin. So what I like to do, I like to do 1.1. See, not much, but did give a little bit of color. And that's about it. And make sure to save it and export it to 4K format. And I just upload it to any social media channel I want.